The Moxy portal consists of three parts: the app, the cloud, and the web tool. Our Kickstarter backers will get a lifetime subscription to the Moxy portal and early access to the beta release of the components. Today we're going to take a look at prototypes of what our product will be. Starting with the mobile app, the user will have the ability to create a new account using all of their information. They can add some optional information such as birth date and weight if they want. Next, they will pair their sensors. We'll be able to pair 3 Moxys and 1 heart rate sensor using Bluetooth. Once those are connected, the user can assign those sensors to a location. Once they're in the app, they can access historical data from their workouts. They can manage their sensors, as well as view and manage their account. They can start a new workout. We'll have 4 different kinds. Endurance will guide the athlete to keep the SMO2 within a specified range. Interval will guide the athlete when to start and stop high-intensity intervals based on that SMO2. The parameters are determined by assessment of the athlete's physiology and their desired training adaptation, as described from Evan Pycon. Strength is similar to interval. It will guide when to stop sets and how long to recover in between. Free workout will not provide any guidance. It will just display and record the data for later analysis. Going into the endurance workout, the user will have the ability to customize their alarms when they want to see those messages and be warned if they're going in or out of a zone. Once they start their workout, they'll begin to see their data appear on the graph and alarm messages as needed. Once they stop the workout, the data will go to the cloud. In the future, this will be a connection point to other applications that users want to import data from or export data to as well. We're going to take a look at the Moxy web tool. This is available on any web browser and uses the same login as the mobile app. If the user has been invited to see other people's data, they can toggle between those accounts here. They can see data, whether that is a live workout that is currently happening, and any historical workout data. They can also manage their sensors, who they've allowed to view or edit their data, and manage their account. Taking a look at a previous workout, the user can see information about that workout here, as well as data from that workout. The bar graph is showing the SMO2, and the orange line is showing the THB. If the user switches to show multiple sensors, we will change that to a line graph and color coordinate those sensors. Similarly with the data, if they change which data they'd like to see, we can color coordinate and show all of that data at once. They can also use these markup tools. They can draw a box, a text box, or arrows. They can zoom independently on the vertical axis or the time axis. Clicking on a lap zooms into that interval or set. The user can also change the type of tool they're using. They can switch to analysis, which can show things like slope analysis and the average value analyzer. At any time, the user can take a snapshot of what they've drawn on the graph, and they can also export this data as a CSV or FIT format. Thank you for taking the time to learn about the new Moxy portal.